Welcome back to another Mobilesentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over a few of the things that you might have missed out on from last week, as well as some of the new things on the website. So let's get into the video. Now, first and foremost, if you haven't taken advantage of the Genuine Apple Parts program, I highly recommend that you look into it, also known as GAPP. Right here you can see that Mobilesentrix is proud to partner with Apple to bring you Genuine Apple Parts program. This page is chock full of information talking about the Genuine Apple Parts, along with core returns, what the program looks like without core returns, examples of the pricing that you'll encounter, along with a huge frequently asked questions section where you will be sure to have all the questions that you have answered. It's been really cool to see Apple work with a company in this way, so definitely check that out. One thing we're excited to release is the iPhone 16e Casper tempered glass. As you can see, we have the single pack retailing packaging for the iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 14, and 16e in the privacy matte and clear style tempered glass. Also, the 10-pack bulk packaging for those same models. And of course, the Casper Silicone Edge for those same models as well in the single pack for retail packaging. I'm sure you'll have a lot of people come in with new devices that may not be repairing but may be repairing for others, and that's a great opportunity to upsell them on a tempered glass in your store. And something to bring to your attention as well is we have a variety of MacBook parts, over 1,200 parts including screens, batteries, case tops, trackpads, flex cables, keyboards, keycaps, CPU fans, IC chips, screws, and more. So definitely check those out if you're looking to repair MacBooks or expand into that area. And last but not least, I want to show you what you might have missed out on from the videos last week. I thoroughly went over a beginner's guide for replacing the HDMI on an Xbox One S. This video was intended for techs that had not done this repair before to show how easy it can be and some of the steps that you can take, even though as you progress in these repairs, these might not be the same techniques that you maintain, but it shows a simple way to do it. So check that out if you're looking to get into any of the micro soldering or console repairs or anything like that. One of the things we also went over is a phone that was boot looping. Finalized an iPhone 13 boot looping repair video where I show how to diagnose a truly dead battery, how to verify that, and make sure it's nothing else going on with the phone. So if you haven't seen that video, check that out. And if you are looking for a guide to replace the battery on an Apple Watch, in this case the Apple Watch Ultra, I showed a video step by step on how I go about replacing the battery on an Apple Watch Ultra. So check that video out. If there's a video that you'd like to see, or a specific repair, or a tool that you want to see how it's used, let me know in the comments below. Got a bunch of fun videos planned this week, so stay tuned for those. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.